Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and whether you're looking for a cloth napkin for a formal event or for everyday use, this gray striped cloth napkin from INFEI is absolutely beautiful. This set is a set of 12, and I really liked the gray because it matched our decor, but also was very neutral. They do come in a variety of other colors too, which I really appreciated. What I really love about these napkins is we can use them every day, or we can also set them up beautifully for a nice special event. They are 17 inches by 17 inches, so they are a really nice size, which allows you to use them in a variety of different folding methods too. These napkins are machine washable, and what I really appreciated is that they are all uniform. So many times when I get linens, they're not exactly the same size, but you can see just how well these all line up together even after being washed. I found that they laundered really nicely, and the edges in the stitching was so beautifully still intact that I knew this was a really nice durable cloth napkin. I really love the size of these and the versatility of them. Because they are such a nice size, I can use them under my centerpieces as well as plating if I so choose. I've been very happy with the versatility, the durability, and the design of these beautiful cloth napkins from INFEI. And that's my point of view.